TikTok.
That ain't supposed to be there.
What up? It is your girl, Raina Raya, or Raina Rayan, whatever you prefer to call me, as long as you call me something. You dig? I'm sorry about not uploading last week. A lot was going on. I was on Amazon. Usually, I would freak a wig. I wouldn't post it or nothing. I would just show up with it. So I'm thinking, why not show y'all how I do it? And under here, if you did not know, I do have locks. I am locked. I'm like 1 point something year locked, but that's besides the point. So I was scrolling on TikTok like I usually do, and I was looking for a good little synthetic curly wig. I love big hair. They said it was $23. By the time I got to it, it was about 40, I think. If not, I'll leave all of it down below. I got this wig in black, so it's literally just like the big curly with the bang wig. As a matter of fact, let's read the description. Curly afro wig with bangs. Afro full wigs, black. It's from Goodly Hair, made in China. But let's pull it out and let's see what we working with, shall we? Ooh, these curls look good. Hold on. Okay, look, hold on. Let me tell you what they sent in the pack. You get a little tattoos. Oh, ain't that nice? And girl, I love me a good ghetto. It's like that new me. It's like they knew who I was and knew I needed some more earrings. So yeah, and then they give you the standard cap like they usually do. It's not my color, but does it really matter if it's going under a wig that covers your whole head? I love these wigs so much because you can just put it on and go. We love wigs you can put on and go. And girl, these curls are, look at it. Y'all can see the actual curl pattern of this. This look like somebody's hair. This look like somebody's hair. This is. Oh, what is it? Oh no, baby, what is that? TikTok.
That ain't supposed to be there.
This is obviously the front with the bang. And then here is the curl pattern. There's some blue in here. I wasn't expecting, the best quality because it's less than $50. But so far, it's not bad. Oh, here's the top. Can I see my hand through it? Absolutely not. We're on to a good start. Check this out. They tell you how different styles you can do. Okay, you see this one right here? I would love to do that. But then turn around. No, for real. Do this style and then turn around. You're going to be looking. Crazy as hell. So, yeah. It's going to be cute though. Watch. Yeah, I'm taking y'all in the bathroom so y'all can see how I style and fluff this boy, because I'm going to have to style and fluff it. I'm going to put it on my hair right now and see how crazy I look on camera. Alright, so for this portion of the video, we are switching over to voiceover. Oh, I look really good underneath this light. Also, if you can't tell, we didn't go in the bathroom, but we did. So this is the wig in different lighting. I'm trying to give you a better look. I'm going to try to put it on my head. And as you can see, I'm struggling because it didn't fit. I unsnapped the things. That's giving Jerry curl. Let your soul glow. Curl looking boy. So, yeah. I kind of was losing faith at this point, but we gonna get into it. I start fluffing because I like voluminous hair. I don't know. I just feel like it looks better with my face shape. Also, the cap was still too small for me. So if I shake my head too much, you'll actually see it. But literally, you're just about to watch me pick my hair out. So I don't think there'll be too much more to say from me. But if you can see the difference between the sides picked out, that obviously means I'm doing something right, because I'm fluffing for dear life right now. Right now, y'all need to pay attention because I'm cutting the bang. I take the shorter hair that's framed around my face, I twist it, and I try to pull it super long so I don't cut way too short. I still think I cut just a little bit too much off, but it's okay because I'm gonna still make it work. I'm gonna still make it do what it do. So I'm gonna just keep playing with it until it sits the way I want it to sit. After I get it how I want it to sit, I'm gonna start cutting to again frame my face shape. All right, now don't try to act like I don't see it. Bad. Now I do this because I've been doing this for years, shaping my face. Just keep cutting until you find that shape for you. Now, if you don't trust yourself to do it, don't do it. Cut it a little bit and then just let it be. But I'm gonna keep cutting until I like it. Because that's just who I am. All right, this is the finished result. No mousse. This hair don't need no damn mousse. Just cut and just shape your bangs and shape your face. It might be lopsided right now because I did just snatch it off for a video. But if it isn't, then perfect. And if it is, look at the curls. Don't look at the lopsidedness. You feel me? Also, I don't know if y'all can see, but I do have one on top. It's just, I changed my outfit because I'm recording other content right now. But y'all, it really didn't take a lot to freak this wig, and I'm still gonna keep messing with it, but I just wanted to show you where I was at right now. I feel like it's good enough to wear out, and it's dense. Obviously it's dense and thick, so I like to keep it as thick as possible when I first get it, so when it starts to get fuzzy, I can just cut off the fuzz, and then we'll be left with a medium-ish body, you know what I mean? I think it's really cute. It does have to grow on me a little bit. I'm not used to having hair this big. Coming from a woman who did this. Anyways, I think it's really cute. I'm gonna try to show you the back. I want to do more videos like this. And if y'all want this wig, I'll make sure I leave the link down below. Again, it was under $40. I'm like 100%. Wow. It's time to go to bed. But I'm 100% sure that was under 40. The one that I got anyways. But I'm gonna leave the link for the one that I got down below. And any specs if I can find them. Also, it comes in a, like a, you know, a nice variety of colors. There was this like platinum blonde or like white, and I'm thinking about getting it. I don't know why, but just something is telling me to get it. Like, I don't do cosplays or anything, but I think I could do a cute photo shoot. Like, but yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, do all of those things because we're growing, and we're growing really well, and I want to keep this up. So thank you. Oh, peace. I forgot to ask you guys a question. Who gonna pop me? Who is going to pop me? That's right. No freaking body. Now y'all can go to bed.